Welcome to Pronosutan View, one of the natural tourist attractions in Nanggulan Kulonprogo, which offers a panorama of green rice fields that is so pleasing to the eye. Here, nature seems to greet you with such simple beauty. Pronosutan View is known for its beautiful and peaceful atmosphere. With the Menoreh hills as a backdrop, this place is often a favorite destination for tourists who want to enjoy the typical rural atmosphere of Jogja. This vast expanse of rice fields is located in Pronosutan Hamlet, Kembang Village, Nanggulan District, Kulonprogo Regency, Yogyakarta. In addition to enjoying the scenery, visitors can also see firsthand the activities of farmers working in the rice fields. This atmosphere gives the impression of harmony between humans and nature, which we rarely find in urban areas. Here, tourists can bring in their vehicles, such as bicycles and motorcycles, except cars. Vehicles can also be photo props. Many tourists also cycle around Pronosutan View. Many intend to bring their own bicycles or even cycle from Yogyakarta. For those of you who like cycling, Pronosutan View is also a favorite route for cyclists. The quiet village roads and fresh air make the cycling experience even more memorable. Here, local residents provide bicycle rentals and a large parking area, and you can also try the food sold around the place. You can do various tourist activities here, one of which is of course taking selfies with the background of the expanse of rice fields. What makes it unique is the expanse of green rice fields that resemble grasslands. Moreover, when viewed using a drone from above, there is a white concrete road with a beautiful green carpet on the right and left. Pronosutan View in Nanggulan Kulonprogo is real proof of how the beauty of nature can bring peace and happiness. With the charm of green rice fields that stretch out, this place is the perfect destination to relieve fatigue and enjoy the harmony of nature. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to support this channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing, so that we continue to be enthusiastic about presenting other interesting content. See you in the next video.